How to set your custom URL for your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create your custom URL. Not just that, you will also learn these 5 important things that you need to know when you are creating a custom URL for your YouTube channel. Number one thing is, when are you going to be eligible? Number two is how to set URL, where you will find this option of setting the custom URL, how to delete your custom URL, and how to recreate your custom URL after deleting it. And then see, there are certain limitations when it comes to creating custom URL as well. Okay, so there is a workaround for that. So I'm going to reveal this secret. I played around with it and I finally found a workaround on getting the right name in the custom URL, because YouTube sometimes won't give you a choice. It will just take your brand name and put it there, and if your brand name is long, if it has your personal name and plus the brand name like how I have for my YouTube channel, then it can be a problem. So I'm going to show you how to customize that part as well in this video. Okay, and if you have any questions or any doubts, if there is something I have not covered in the video, make sure you use the comment section and ask your doubts and questions. I'll make sure I'll answer every single one of them. All right. And I am Santosh. I am an entrepreneur and a designer, and I am also the founder of Design Clans, where I teach entrepreneurs how to grow their business through effective branding and designing. So that is something that I do. If you're interested, you can check that out. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because things like that is what keeps me going as well. So do that right now, and then let's go to the YouTube studio. Let me show you what to do. So when are you going to get this option enabled? So here is the link. I have shared this link below this video. You can check it out yourself. And this is the eligibility criteria right now for having the option of getting the option of changing your custom URL for your YouTube channel. Okay, one is you got to have 100 or more subscribers. Your channel must be at least 30 days old, and you got to have an uploaded profile picture, and you also got to have an uploaded banner image. And there is also a note here: reserves the right to change, reclaim, or remove custom URLs at any time. So you don't have control on that. Don't break your head too much on it. So these are the 4 things that you will need to have an option of customizing your YouTube channel. Okay, now there is an additional thing that I would want to let you know, that is, see, I recently crossed 100 subscribers. So what happened was, I was looking for the custom URL option, but I did not find it. And then after doing quite a lot of research, I also realized that there were a lot of other people facing similar issues. So then I thought maybe this be at least 30 days old. What it means is, my channel got to be 30 days old with 100 subscribers in it. But that was not the case. It enabled, I got the custom URL option in like 3 to 4 days. So this is not that, okay? This is like, how old is your channel? It has to be 30 days and more, okay? Not 30 days after you hit 100 subscribers. That is what I was thinking, because I was not getting that option. Alright, so let me show you how to set your custom URL. Okay, I hope you can see it right now. So go to YouTube and go to YouTube Studio. Alright, so you are going to be in your dashboard. Changing your URL is very simple, but there are a few things that you need to remember. One is your channel name. If you notice here, my channel name has my name and my company name. So yours might be different. It can be just your name, or it can be just your company name, or you have done something like this, right? You want to brand both the things. So here is the thing: go to customization, all right, and go to basic info. This is the page where you'll have an option of changing the custom URL. I have already changed it, so that is why it is showing up like this. Okay, I have changed it to Santosh Shetty. And if you are trying to do it for the first time, remember this: whatever your channel name is going to be over here, right? Santosh Shetty. Here it is Santosh Shetty, Design Clans together. When you are creating the custom URL, you are going to get an option which will include this entire name. It will include your name plus your company name if you have a longer thing, and if you want to further customize it. If you want to customize it the way I have done it, I just wanted to have my name, not the entire thing. So what I did was, before I clicked on customize URL, I changed my YouTube channel name to just Santosh Shetty like that, right? And published it. Okay, so my channel name became Santosh Shetty, and when I did that, I got this option as Santosh Shetty. If I had not done it, what could have happened is my URL would have looked something like this, right? And I cannot edit it, I cannot delete it. Like you can see over here, if I click on it, right, I can't make any changes, I can't delete or do anything. There's nothing I can do, right? I might be able to add initially, but now I can't do that also. Let me show you what I'm saying. Okay, let me just do this, get this back to Design Clans, publish. So I'm going to show you how to delete custom URL. I'm going to delete right now. It's going to take me to this page where it will show all the information, and this is my YouTube custom URL. This is my Google account, YouTube custom URL. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on remove. It says, are you sure you want to remove custom URL? Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Alright, so my URL is removed now. If I refresh this page, it's gone, right? So I have an option of setting up custom URL. Now, if I go and click on set a custom URL for my channel, these are the options that I'm going to get. Okay, these are the default options. This is the one I selected last time, so it will show my previous URLs. And this is the default I'm going to get. Like I said, the entire thing. Okay, I don't want the entire thing. If I want to delete it, I can't do it. I can, however, add to that URL. I can do things like that, but I'm not going to do it. I want my URL to be simple. So to do that, what you have to do is go over here, change this to what your URL you want it to be. Okay, if you want a short URL, just change the name once. This is a workaround I'm talking about. Change the name to whatever you want, hit publish. Okay, so I don't want to do any of that right now. See, the problem here is you can change your URL only 3 times a year. I have already done it twice this year for testing purposes. One I did right now, I deleted and create URL. So if I hit publish right now with this, my YouTube URL is going to be this for the next 1 year, which I don't want. I'm going to choose Santosh Shetty. Okay, I'm going to keep it at that. And what you'll have to do is, if you want a short URL, just put the name over here and hit publish. Okay, you'll have 3, you can change it 3 times a year. Okay, so hit publish and you will get this option over here like that. This is the option you get. If you want to add something to it, you can add, or leave it as it is, so that you get the custom URL of your choice. It will say youtube.com/c, and whatever you have mentioned over here is going to show up over here. That's about it. Okay, and I'm going to get back to this because I don't want anything else. I don't want this to be my channel name. I want to keep it simple. I'm going to publish it. This one, I think I'll keep it as Design Clans. Confirm. Done. Okay, so my URL is ready. I'm going to copy it. Let's go to incognito window, enter.
Hi there, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate the time that...
Cool, right? Okay, this is my phone. I use a Samsung M30s, and this is an Android phone. So if you want to learn how to connect your phone to your PC, there is a video, there's a tutorial on that. I will leave the link in the description and also somewhere on top over here. So you can use that. Now, how to change your custom URL in your phone, using your phone. If you don't have access to your PC and you want to change the custom URL on your phone, then this is what you have to do. Go to youtube.com and go to here on the top right, you have these 3 dots, tap on it, and then go to desktop site. And once you're on the desktop site, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your channel. Okay, So on the top right hand corner you have your profile picture. Click on it and go to your channel. So once you go to your channel, you get
Hi there,
show your
welcome to
channel,
my
and then
channel.
there is
I
this
really,
option
really
called as
appreciate
customize
the time that you have taken
channel,
to check
right?
my
So you
channel
click
out.
on it like that,
My
or tap on it, and it will take you to the same screen like what it showed you on your what it showed in your web version or in your PC, right? It will take you to this exact same screen, this one. Now here you go to basic info, and you have to do the exact same things here. Whatever I taught you earlier, if you first make sure you have the correct channel name, because that is what is going to get copied to your URL, and once that happens you can't change it. You can change it, you can add characters to it, and you can change it. Maximum is 3 times a year. Okay, so be careful how many times you change your YouTube channel URL name. Okay, so you can select here, and same steps, whatever you did in the web version, do the same thing over here, and you will be able to change your YouTube channel URL name in the phone as well. Okay, so this is how you do it on your phone. Cool, right? Simple and easy to do this. So do it right now if you're not done it. And if you're facing any problem, use the comments and let me know. Ask your doubts and questions. I'll make sure I answer every single one of them. Okay, so if you think you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will make sure you get more stuff like this in the future as well. Okay, so that's about it. Until next time, this is Santosh here from Design Clans. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.